Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung is making the biggest upgrades and changes in the most futuristic flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. According to the latest available data, first exciting details about the future flagship have been revealed. Insiders are talking about a new, magical feature and a significant screen upgrade. Here's what this could mean in practice. Let's dive into the video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung may or may not release a trifold phone this year, but we know it's likely to launch the new Galaxy S26 series in January. And thanks to a couple of regular Samsung insiders, we have an idea of how the display might change. First, a report from insider Jukunlo Zariv from Korean publication, ET News, claimed that the new Galaxy S26 Ultra would feature a brighter and thinner screen, thanks to new OLED technology that introduces new materials and innovations. The new display is expected to feature the M14 material stack, the latest version of Samsung's OLED display technology. It will also feature KOI, color filter on thin film encapsulation technology, which removes the polarizer layer, a first for the Galaxy S series. This feature will reportedly be exclusive to the S26 Ultra, not the renamed S26 Pro or S26 Edge. By comparison, the entire iPhone 17 lineup uses the new M14 OLED display material. The S24 and S25 series both use the M13 material. This new material should improve the phone's light efficiency, creating both a brighter display and a longer lifespan. Second leak is the smart display for privacy. Another major screen leak comes from regular Samsung insider Ice Universe. According to leaker, the Galaxy S26 will feature a new smart privacy screen called Flex Magic Pixel. This feature will limit people's ability to view your screen from the side to protect your privacy. In the video from their tweet, you can see that the display appears black until you look directly at it. We had some concerns about whether this feature could be turned off, but the video hints at a toggle option. So perhaps you can turn it off when you're not in a public place. Ice Universe's post doesn't clarify whether this is a display technology or a feature that will be introduced with One UI 8.5 when it launches. They also don't specify whether it will be exclusive to the S26 Ultra or whether it will also appear on other S26 devices or older Galaxy phones. This is something worth keeping an eye on, because it seems like a great privacy tool. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.